Now NIVEA have just launched a ton of these really handy giftable box sets on their Amazon store. Really great, perfect for things like Secret Santa. Just to keep one if you want to gift it and you're not quite sure who you're going to give it to yet, you know what I mean? And they're just really handy. Or just gift yourself, because quite frankly, this is for me. I bought this for myself because I love rose. This is the rose scented one, but there's quite a few on there. Obviously have a little look and see. I think as well they work out, when I was comparing the costs, very good in my opinion for the components you get in there. Plus it's a nice one, easy one to wrap, as I say, and gift as well. Good for your teacher, a colleague, someone, you know, a neighbour gift. It'd be really handy to have. So this particular one, this one is the Feel Flawless one. It has 4 parts in there. Let's take a look at those. This is the NIVEA Oil Rose Lotion. This is like a daily body lotion with argan oil, so to give you nice soft skin. And it smells really nice and clean as well. It's really yummy smell. And this is my personal favourite. I use this anyway, so which is another reason why I picked this particular box. This is the Rose Facial Wash. It smells really nice and delicate, like a very, very light perfume. I just think it's really nice feeling on your skin. If it helps, I'm 47, so there you go. Obviously, I really like it. It's a really nice smell, and it's just a really nice way to get your makeup off and to give your face a really nice clean at the end of the day. We've got a duo mask here, so you've got 2 goes of that one. This is for dry skin. It's also got honey in it as well. I've not tried this one yet, but I'm very, very excited to try it as a little treat. I think probably I'd look to do something like that maybe once a month when, you know, I'm just going to do my foot masks and all those things as well. I think it'd be a really nice one to add into your beauty routine. And then we've got the Radiant Complexion Day Moisturiser as well for your face. Really nice little box actually. And you've got the rose gold there. I have to smell it. I have to see what it's like. It's got the foil and you've got the really nice cream there. And it smells really nice. It's like gentle, sweet rose. It's really nice. Yeah. Well, it's really smooth. I can smell it. So yeah, that is the NIVEA kit. I think it's really good value and I think it's really great. A really giftable thing to get. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.